Welcome back to my channel. Andito si Mama Wen and Kids, umuwi ng village. So andito ang update natin ngayon sa ating village, guys. Maganda na ang aming road. Ayan guys, maganda na ang cement. Tara na!
Okay na. Assalamualaikum. Tiga ada.
Yeah. Semento ng ating road. And guys, pwede na tayong mag high heel dito. Yes, that is the new cemented. Okay. Yeah. Pwede na papasok ang tricycle dito. Hindi na bato-bato yung kalsada. And guys, after 7 years make this road, only this time had completed, kasi nung bago ako dito, when I was new here, this road just make yung ginawa pa lang nila yung kalsada. Pumasok dito yung yung machine, yung bulldozer, ginawa yung kalsada. Tapos ngayon lang na semento after 7 years, just now. Guys, dumating na tayo dito. Okay na ang kalsada namin, guys. Thanks for watching.